25 side hustle ideas that can make you $1,000 per month or more. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. As you loved our previous video about how to make a side hustle that makes you $1,000 per month or more, we are continuing that link and giving you a new video with ideas of side hustles. Today, we're diving into something super exciting. 25 side hustle ideas that can help you make $1,000 or more every month. Whether you're saving up for something special or just want some extra cash, we've got you covered. Let's jump right in. Idea number 1, sell handmade crafts. If you're passionate about creativity and want to make money, why not turn it into a profitable side hustle? From crafting stunning jewelry pieces to hand-pouring scented candles or knitting cozy scarves, your handmade goods can find appreciative buyers. Platforms like Etsy and local craft fairs offer opportunities to showcase your creations to a wide audience, turning your hobby into a lucrative source of income. So, gather your materials, unleash your creativity, and let your crafts speak for themselves. Idea number 2, become a freelance photographer. Are you passionate about photography? Why not turn your love for capturing moments into a lucrative side hustle? As a freelance photographer, you can specialize in various events such as weddings, birthdays, or family portraits. With your keen eye for detail and ability to capture the essence of every moment, you can provide clients with lasting memories while earning extra income. So grab your camera, unleash your creativity, and start snapping your way to success. Idea number 3, start a catering or baking business. Love spending time in the kitchen and whipping up delicious dishes? Consider starting your own catering or baking business. Whether it's creating custom cakes for special occasions or preparing mouth-watering homemade meals for busy individuals and families, the demand for quality food services is always high. With a passion for cooking and a flair for presentation, you can turn your culinary skills into a thriving side hustle. Plus, with the flexibility to cater to different dietary preferences and event themes, the possibilities are endless. So put on your apron, fire up the oven, and start cooking up success with your own catering or baking venture. Idea number 4, start a gardening business. Love spending time outdoors? Consider starting a gardening business as your side hustle. Whether you have a green thumb or simply enjoy being surrounded by nature, there are plenty of opportunities to capitalize on your passion for plants. Offer services such as landscaping to transform outdoor spaces, provide plant care for busy homeowners, or even sell your own homegrown produce at local markets. With the demand for sustainable living on the rise, there's never been a better time to dig in and cultivate a thriving gardening business. Idea number 5, start a cleaning service. Are you someone who finds satisfaction in a sparkling clean space? Starting a cleaning service could be the perfect side hustle for you. From homes to offices, there's a constant demand for reliable cleaning professionals who can ensure that spaces are kept neat and organized. With flexible hours and minimal startup costs, you can easily launch your own cleaning business and cater to clients in your local area. So grab your cleaning supplies, put on your gloves, and get ready to make a tidy profit with your attention to detail and knack for cleanliness. Idea number 6, offer tech services like website design, graphic design, or social media management. Are you tech savvy? Leverage your digital skills to offer valuable services like website design, graphic design, or social media management. Businesses of all sizes are constantly seeking to enhance their online presence, and your expertise can help them achieve their goals. Whether you're adept at creating eye-catching graphics, building user-friendly websites, or crafting engaging social media content, there's a demand for your talents in the digital marketplace. So fire up your laptop, showcase your skills, and start offering tech services that make a real difference for your clients' businesses. Idea number 7, start a personal training or fitness coaching business. Passionate about fitness? Share your expertise and help others lead healthier lives by starting a personal training or fitness coaching business. Whether you prefer one-on-one sessions or group classes, there's a demand for knowledgeable trainers who can motivate and support clients on their fitness journey. With a bit of marketing and networking, you can build a client base and turn your passion for fitness into a lucrative side hustle. So grab your workout gear and get ready to inspire others to reach their fitness goals. Idea number 8, offer home repair or handyman services. Are you a DIY enthusiast with a knack for fixing things? Consider offering your expertise as a handyman. Many homeowners lack the time or skills to tackle household repairs themselves, creating a demand for reliable handymen. Whether it's repairing leaky faucets, fixing squeaky doors, or painting walls, there's no shortage of tasks to be done. With a toolbox and some handy skills, you can build a successful side hustle by providing valuable home repair services to your community. Idea number 9, become a tutor. Are you passionate about a particular subject? Share your knowledge and expertise by becoming a tutor. Whether it's helping students with math equations, explaining complex scientific concepts, or teaching a foreign language, there's a demand for knowledgeable tutors who can provide personalized support. Tutoring allows you to make a positive impact on students' academic success while earning extra income on the side. So brush up on your teaching skills, prepare your lesson plans, and embark on a rewarding journey as a tutor. Idea number 10, start a clothing alteration or custom clothing business. Are you skilled with a needle and thread? Consider starting a clothing alteration or custom clothing business. Many people struggle to find clothing that fits perfectly, and that's where you come in. Whether it's shortening hems, taking in waistlines, or creating one-of-a-kind garments, your sewing talents can help people look and feel their best. With word-of-mouth referrals and social media marketing, you can attract customers seeking personalized clothing solutions. So dust off your sewing machine, unleash your creativity, and start stitching your way to success. Idea number 11, start a pet sitting or dog walking business. Love spending time with animals? Consider starting a pet sitting or dog walking business. With busy schedules, many pet owners need trustworthy caregivers to ensure their furry companions are well taken care of when they're not around. Whether it's taking dogs for daily walks, providing in-home pet sitting services, or offering overnight stays, there's plenty of opportunities to earn extra income while enjoying the company of adorable pets. So grab a leash and some treats and get ready to embark on a rewarding journey as a pet caregiver. Idea number 12, offer virtual assistant services. Are you organized, detail-oriented, and tech-savvy? Consider becoming a virtual assistant. With the rise of remote work, many entrepreneurs and small businesses are in need of virtual support to manage their day-to-day tasks. As a virtual assistant, you can offer services such as email management, scheduling appointments, bookkeeping, and social media management from the comfort of your own home. It's a flexible and lucrative side hustle that allows you to utilize your skills while helping others streamline their businesses. So get ready to become the go-to assistant for busy professionals and start earning extra income today. Idea number 13, start a meal prep or food delivery service. Are you passionate about cooking? Consider starting a meal prep or food delivery service. With today's busy lifestyles, many people struggle to find the time to prepare nutritious meals. That's where you come in. You can offer customized meal plans tailored to your clients' dietary preferences and deliver delicious, ready-to-eat meals right to their doorstep. Whether it's busy professionals, families with hectic schedules, or individuals looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle, there's a high demand for convenient and nutritious meal solutions. So fire up those pots and pans and start cooking up a storm while earning extra income. Idea number 14, offer home organization services. Are you a master of organizing homes? Put your skills to work by offering home organization services. Many people struggle with clutter and disorganization in their homes, and they're willing to pay for help in creating a more functional and peaceful living environment. Whether it's decluttering closets, organizing kitchen cabinets, or creating efficient storage solutions, you can make a significant impact on your clients' lives while earning extra income. So roll up your sleeves, grab some bins and labels, and help others reclaim their space and sanity. Idea number 15, teach art or craft classes. Are you passionate about art or crafting? Share your expertise with others by offering art or craft classes in your community. Whether you're skilled at painting, drawing, pottery, or any other artistic endeavor, there are people eager to learn from you. You can host workshops at local community centers, art studios, or even in your own home. Not only will you be sharing your passion with others, but you'll also have the opportunity to earn money doing what you love. So gather your art supplies, plan your curriculum, and inspire others to unleash their creativity. Idea number 16. Start a blog or YouTube channel passionate about a specific topic. Whether it's cooking, fashion, or gaming, starting a blog or YouTube channel allows you to share your knowledge and creativity with the world. You can create engaging content through written articles or captivating videos, attracting an audience that shares your interests. Plus, once you've built a following, you can monetize your platform by partnering with brands for sponsored content, displaying ads, or promoting affiliate products. So grab your camera or keyboard and start sharing your passion with the world while earning extra income. Idea number 17. Offer music lessons. Are you passionate about music? Share your talent and expertise by offering music lessons. Whether you're proficient in playing guitar, piano, drums, or even singing, there are always individuals eager to learn. From beginners to advanced learners, you can tailor your lessons to suit different skill levels and musical interests. Whether you teach from the comfort of your own home or offer online lessons, helping others develop their musical skills can be both rewarding and lucrative. So pick up your instrument and start sharing the joy of music with others today. Idea number 18. Provide freelance writing or editing services. Are you a wordsmith with a keen eye for detail? Consider offering freelance writing or editing services as a side hustle. Businesses, bloggers, and students are often in need of assistance with content creation, editing, or proofreading. Whether it's crafting compelling blog posts, refining website copy, or polishing academic essays, your expertise can be valuable to those seeking to improve their written communication. With the flexibility to work from anywhere and the opportunity to collaborate with a variety of clients, freelance writing or editing can be a rewarding way to earn extra income. So dust off your keyboard, sharpen your editing skills, and start turning words into wealth. Idea number 19. Start a bike repair or maintenance service. Love tinkering with bikes? Why not turn your passion into a profitable venture? With the increasing popularity of cycling for both transportation and recreation, there's a growing demand for bike repair and maintenance services. Whether it's fixing a flat tire, adjusting gears, or performing routine tune-ups, offering your expertise as a bike mechanic can be a lucrative side hustle. So grab your toolbox, roll up your sleeves, and start pedaling your way to extra income. Idea number 20. Offer landscaping or yard maintenance services. Love spending time outdoors and have a green thumb? Start your own landscaping business. From keeping lawns neatly trimmed to enhancing outdoor aesthetics with beautiful plants and flowers, there's always demand for skilled landscapers. With the right tools and a passion for creating picturesque landscapes, you can turn your love for gardening into a lucrative side hustle. So grab your gardening tools and get ready to transform outdoor spaces while earning extra cash. Idea number 21. Become a social media influencer. Do you love sharing your life, interests, or expertise online? Becoming a social media influencer could be your ticket to a lucrative side hustle. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok offer opportunities to showcase your personality, talents, or passions to a global audience. As you grow your following, brands may approach you for sponsored content collaborations, where you can promote their products or services to your engaged audience in exchange for payment or free products. So grab your camera, start creating captivating content, and pave your way to influencer status. Idea number 22. Offer furniture restoration or upcycling services. Do you have a passion for restoring old furniture or giving it a fresh new look? Consider starting a furniture restoration or upcycling business. With your creative touch, you can breathe new life into worn-out pieces, whether it's refinishing, repainting, or repurposing them into something entirely unique. Not only is this a fulfilling way to express your creativity, but it's also an eco-friendly venture that appeals to those looking for sustainable decor options. So roll up your sleeves, grab your paintbrush, and let's turn old into gold. Idea number 23. Provide language translation or interpretation services. Do you speak more than one language fluently? Why not leverage your language skills to offer translation or interpretation services? Businesses, organizations, and individuals often require assistance in bridging language barriers, whether it's translating documents, interpreting conversations, or facilitating communication in multilingual settings. By offering your expertise in languages, You can provide valuable services and help others overcome linguistic challenges, all while earning extra income. So dust off those language textbooks and put your bilingual abilities to work. Idea number 24. Start a landscaping design business. Love spending time outdoors and have a passion for gardening? Starting a landscaping design business might be the perfect side hustle for you. With your expertise in plants and design, you can help homeowners transform their outdoor spaces into lush and inviting gardens. From creating custom layouts to selecting the perfect plants for each environment, your skills can turn ordinary yards into stunning outdoor retreats. So grab your gardening tools and get ready to cultivate beautiful landscapes while earning extra income. Idea number 25. Offer event planning or coordination services. Looking for a hustle that's all about bringing people's dreams to life? Consider event planning or coordination. From weddings to corporate events, there's a demand for skilled professionals who can take the stress out of organizing special occasions. Whether you're a master at logistics or have a keen eye for design, offering your services to plan and execute memorable events can be both rewarding and lucrative. So grab your notepad, unleash your creativity, and start turning visions into unforgettable experiences. That wraps up idea number 25. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on making money and living your best life. Until next time, happy hustling.